Today I'm gonna show you this NanoR bot that I just discovered. Okay, so this NanoR bot is an arbitrage bot that uses Solana and Ethereum dexes. Uh, the bot basically scans the dexes and like finds opportunities where there's a price difference, and they execute trades based on these price differences to make us profits. So yeah, this is a really fast introduction of the bot. This is the wallet I'm gonna use for like testing out the bot and everything. Okay, so we got like 16 Sol loaded up here. I already tried the bot actually, and I made profits with the bot. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. So we're gonna pull up the bot right here. This is the bot. We're gonna start it. Okay, so welcome to NanoArb. Basically, it's a high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum bot. Scans multiple dexes, and yeah. So we're gonna start now. We're gonna like import the Solana or Ethereum wallet. So basically, we need to activate the bot. I'm gonna show you how it scans the dexes and execute these trades based on the price difference in these multiple Solana and Ethereum dexes. You can use the Solana wallet or Ethereum wallet. So we're gonna try out our Solana wallet here. So exactly, we got 16 Sol, and we're gonna grab the private key of this wallet. Okay, I just copied my Solana wallet private key. Basically, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so um, wallet imported successfully. Sol wallet imported successfully. You can now import the other chain or activate. Sweet. So we can like add up our Ethereum wallet too, or we can just activate it with that wallet. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just activate the bot right here. So NanoArb is activated, now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna wait a little bit here, and it's gonna start executing trading, and it's gonna start executing these smart trades and winning us some profits on these price differences. It's basically a very smart and high-speed arbitrage bot. And just like that, we got our first execution. There we go, it's pulling up. So we just swap Bobcat and USDC. There's a 2% difference, 2% edge. We bought on Drift and sold on Aldrin. So our position was like 5 Sol. It used 5 Sol for that position. This is the fees, and net profit is 3.5 bucks basically. You're gonna see this and you're gonna think like it's not much, right? But hey, it's executing trades all day long. So you're basically farming profits right here. So there's damn. So there's that 3 bucks, 2 bucks, almost 2.5, 2.5 bucks, 5 bucks actually. This is a very good one. It like spammed the Bobcat and USDC. So we got Ray and USDC. There's 1% edge, 3 bucks profit, and 2 bucks profit. So we just made like 17 bucks from just starting out. And that's basically because I'm using 16 Sol for this because it, oh shit. Oh yeah, these 17 blocks are now like 26 bucks. So it profited on 8 different executions. Basically, we started out with 16.22 Sol, and now we're at like 16 point almost 5 Sol. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. We just made like $26 profit in minutes as we speaking right now. So yeah, it's really it's a really big opportunity for people who is starting out or trying to get into the arbitrage bot thing. This is not a financial advice, but yeah, if you wanna try it out, you can go ahead and try it out at nano arb dash bot. So yeah, this is the link. I'm gonna leave the link in this in the description below, obviously. And yeah, it's gonna keep on executing these trades all day long. You can like it's basically a passive income if you think about it. You can just like load up the wallet, import it to the nanobot, and just keep checking it out. Sometimes it doesn't like profit. Sometimes the execution is not does not go right every time, but it doesn't like cost you money when you like lose an opportunity or something like that. So there's another $2. We're at like $30 right now. So yeah, nice. Um, okay, 36 now. Nice, very, very nice. And you can see the date and time. Yeah, it's very profitable. I've tried it and I advise like with testing out, I would say like go with 5 Sol because the positions is like you can see right here 3.9, 3 Sol, 5 Sol, 4. So it's like averages between 3 Sol to 6 or 7 Sol. Basically, I advise you to like go in with load up like 5 Sol. But if you're trying to like do it like me, you can load up your wallet with, I don't know, 10 or 16 Sol and like watch it go up, you know? Just keep profiting and everything. So yeah. As we speak, we're at $40 right here. Yeah, that's really profitable. But if you go and load up your wallet with like less Sol, you're not gonna make like you're not gonna make a lot of profits. This is a very good average, you know. When you like load up your wallet with more Sol, you're gonna make more profits, obviously. So yeah. You can like check it out on the description below. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna like update you on the bot on a second video. But yeah, if you're trying to like get into the arbitrage bot, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And yeah, have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next video.